Today's video, going to be replacing the radiator and the thermostat on this Grand Caravan. Going to take off the negative battery terminal since we're going to be messing with the electric fan, 10mm. We're going to pull up on the security tab. Then you can press down. You just press down on it and pull out. And pull the connector out. Now you can pull off the wiring harness. Pull it up. We'll go ahead and just pull up on our overflow. On the driver's side, there's a petcock right here. I attached the hose right now. We're going to go ahead and open it and drain the radiator. Well, there should be coolant coming out, which there isn't, so I guess we're empty. We're going to be replacing both radiator hoses, so we can go ahead and fully take off this upper radiator hose. Thermostat housing is 210s. Go ahead and pop it off. Here's our old thermostat. There's no bolts that hold the radiator fan to the radiator. All it is, a push lock tab. So all you got to do is press it in and pull the fan up. And in the bottom, it just slides in. $10mm right here from the radiator to the AC condenser lines bracket. This bracket right here holds the top of the radiator, so we're going to go ahead and remove it. $10mm. And there's 4 more holding the front end, 1 on each corner right there, and 1 support bracket on each inner side, 1 right there and 1 right there. Now with the upper support bracket out, I can pull this wind deflector, pull off these security tabs. This is what bolts to the upper core support, and then it holds on to the radiator. Get a pair of little needle nose, squeeze, and pull forward. T20 for these 2 screws. 10 millimeter. Gonna mirror this on the other side. Same thing as the top. Squeeze the tab, pull it forward. What I realized on the way out, so essentially what you're trying to do is pull it forward, slide it out, and then come up. And there you go. Here's our one trace on the new radiator. That went in a lot easier than it did coming out. On the front end, all you do is the bottom of the condenser, slide it in its slot, and then push this tab to lock it into place. The cooler line, you can go ahead and push it on the driver's side and the passenger side. Here's the old thermostat. We're going to go ahead and take it off its housing. We're going to put this little bleed valve where the arrow is. Alright, good to go. We'll go ahead and put this back on the truck. £105 inch. Now we can go ahead and start putting everything back on. Over, pull our harness back over. Plug it in, lock it down, press the harness in, plug it in over here, lock it down. I went ahead and raised the radiator cap side of things, so any air that comes out of the upper radiator hose, the air is going to go to this highest point, which is going to be the radiator cap. So now we're going to go ahead and start it. We're getting 140 degrees out of the vents. So we know we're getting hot coolant into the heater core and it's cycling the air through. So we're good to go there. Driving around, just under the middle. The high got up to 207, went down to 200. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a few more miles on it. And that's how you replace a radiator and a thermostat on these Grand Caravans. Hopefully this video helps y'all. You have a good one.